Hi everyone, so welcome back. In this video we will see how to download and install Eclipse IDE on MacBook. So for that, before we need to install JDK on our MacBook. I already made a video about that. Check the description for the link. If you're not installed, please watch the video and install JDK on your machine. So once you install JDK, we will download and install Eclipse on our machine. So for that, open any browser in your system and search for download Eclipse, and we will get the official website. I also mentioned this in description. So here we are going to install packages. So for that, click other packages and click on Eclipse package. So here we can see the operating system listed here. 8664 is for Intel based processor, and we are choosing AR64 for latest model. Click that, click download. So it started downloading. Okay, it's downloaded now. Let's open. Click on the file. Here you can see the Eclipse installer. Double click on that. And click open. Click allow. So there are different versions. Here we are going to choose Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Click on that. Now we can see Java 21 that's installed in this machine. You can change if it's not installed in your system by choosing the drop down and choose anything you want. But Java 21 is the LTS as of now, so we are going with this. It's already installed in this machine. So this is the installation folder. We can see the file in this path. Leave it as default and click install, and it will ask for the permission. You can click accept now. Once you click, it will start to installing. So let's wait. Okay, the installation is completed successfully. It's asking for launch. Click launch. Before that, we need to, let's go here and move this to application so that we can download the other versions if we want. Okay, now let's go to the path where the Eclipse is installed. Click on Eclipse Java. So here we can see the Eclipse app. Drag this and move to application. So that we can open the app from Launchpad. So here I'm closing and opening from the application in Launchpad. Click on that. It will start to open. So this is the Eclipse workspace path. It's creating defaultly. You can change, but I'm continuing with the default location. And once you set the path, hit launch. It will start open. Okay, now the application is installed in our machine successfully. Let's check a simple program. This is the welcome note. Just close this. Here click a create a Java project. Here I am giving hello, and this is a simple program, right? So for now I am unchecking this one, and next hit finish. So the project is created. This is the source file. Right click, new, and you can see the Java project's main project. Here we are going to create a class, and I'm giving the class name as hello. I also enabling main method and hit finish. So the class is created. Let's print a simple sentence. And save the program. Okay, let's run. Okay, the output is printed. So we now successfully installed Eclipse IDE in our machine. Okay, we'll see you in next video. Thanks for watching.